the silver sky, covering the city rising so high. Balconies sleeping under white, morning shines in crystal lights. Little boots step into the snow, cold red cheeks start to glow. Winter whispers come and play, it's a magic kind of day. We're sliding, sliding, down we go, laughing loud in falling snow. Up so high, then flying free, winter feels like a dream to me. Sliding, sliding, heart so light, snowflakes dancing left and right. In this world of white and blue, happiness is sliding too.
A snowy hill beside the tall buildings, 12 floors high, the silence thrilling. One by one we take our turn down the shining path we burn.
Scars are flying, gloves in air, snowflakes stuck in messy hair. Moms watch smiling from above, windows glowing warm with love. We're sliding, sliding, down we go, giggles echo soft and slow. Cold hands but our hearts stay warm, winter's joy is our true form. When the snow begins to fade away, we'll remember this winter day, because joy once felt